people, this is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my channel. This is all about a meat knife, a boning knife. You must be familiar with these two knives, boning knife and curved boning knife. That's a Victorinox, and that's Update, some kind of company, right? I saw it on Amazon, so what I thought, let's buy this knife and compare with Victorinox, right? So it's a company called Update, right? It's German steel, and it's Victorinox 2007, still going, right? Still, it's a very old school knife, and that's a new company called Update. I've seen this knife on Amazon, so I thought, why can't buy this knife? Let's see that how good this knife is, and I'm using it, right? I'm using it. What I found that this knife is good, right? You can see that. Let's write it down. German steel, X50 CR M015, stain free. That's what they mentioned on this knife, and company name is Update. That is something different. I never bought this. I never heard this knife company before in my life. I saw it on Amazon. I was searching. I was doing some searching on Amazon and found this company. So what I did, I planned, let's buy this and let's use this. So I'm using it. It's a good product, but handle is like plastic, not fiber, like plastic. They tried to copy Victorinox handle, but it's a pure plastic handle. It's more comfortable, and I'm very shocked that a plastic can be more comfortable. It's a good handle, right? I don't know what material is this. Maybe it's more plastic or fiber, something like that, but it's a good knife, right? Good knife. So boning knife, it's an old school knife, right? I have used this knife from very long time, and I have a good memories with this knife. But this is a new knife called Update. Company's Update. You can Google it, but it's hard to find on Google, right? And I've seen few videos about this company. It's an American company. It's a startup company. So let's see, they want to make this company grow. So that's my review about this company, Update knife. I just want to go for more working on this knife before I go for final review, because it's not been a long knife, but I'm still using it. I just want to make sure that I use this knife like hell. I have done this knife like hell of the job, and still it's been with me from more than 12 years. Still with me, right? It's hanging on. I don't want. I just want to do the same with this knife before I go for the final review. That's Update curved boning knife, and that's Victorinox boning knife. That's curved. That's straight. I have seen many videos about boning knife. People are using this knife on teaching or giving a lesson how to cut lamb, beef, big size portion of meats. It's a good knife, right? It's a good knife, guys. It's a very good knife. If you want to buy a big boning knife, my review will be go for this knife. That's Victorinox 5 rocks. Let's see, right? 5 rocks. Handle is good, man. Seriously, fucking more than 12 years, and still more comfortable on my hand. Say if I compare this handle and this handle, this handle is something like plastic, like pure plastic. So that's a plastic handle, not same this, but cheap handle. But I really want to test this knife before I go for a final review. So it's just a two comparison with two companies, Update and Victorinox. So there will be a final review soon from my end before I'm giving my opinion for this knife and for this company. So guys, if you go for the length of the blade, the length of the blade is not big. It will be around 6 to 7 inch. Same with this knife, 6 to 7 inch, not more than that. And these two knives have different material on the handle, right? It's 12-year-old and it's 8 months old knife. It's an American company, it's a Swiss company. So I want to go for more testing on this knife before I go for final review about Update. If you want to search this knife, go for Amazon and you can find this knife on Amazon. It's a cheap knife, right? Very cheap knife, and it's a good knife, easy to sharpen and easy to maintain. But handle is like, I'm still thinking, and I really want to go for the final review. My channel, this is Chef and Knife. There will be a final review about this knife in upcoming videos, right? Thank you guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you for watching my channel. This is Chef and Knife, and